Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a stationary front that is currently off the coast, and that's producing periods of showers over the coastal waters, but nothing just yet on the coast. It's going to change as we move on through the afternoon with a threat for scattered showers along the Jersey Shore and up towards Long Island. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid-70s throughout the region. Those temperatures are not going to be moving all that much with a northeasterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. When we take a look at our wind map, you can see our stationary front with little waves of low pressure developing along it. This low pressure system will start to take control and lift up towards the coastal waters, and that's going to lead to the threat for some moderate to heavy rainfall for Long Island, especially for tonight into tomorrow morning. Take a look at our radar and surface map. There is our wave of low pressure. Now you see this trough here? This trough is going to be kind of the marked line between where we can see heavy precipitation and where it's going to be, well, rather dry. To the east of this trough here, that's where we're going to see this heavy rainfall start to push closer to the coastal plain. So immediate Jersey Shore, let's say Long Island, especially southeastern Long Island, southeastern Connecticut, that's where we could see some rainfall amounts possibly pushing over an inch as we move on through tonight into tomorrow morning. To the west of this line, well, that's pretty much where we're going to see mostly dry conditions. I can't rule out a few isolated showers as we move through the Delaware River Valley, but eastern Pennsylvania, the Poconos, Catskills, Hudson River Valley, it's going to be pretty much dry. You might see 1/100 of an inch of precipitation out of this, if that. But what we will have is plenty of cloud cover, as you can see on the visible satellite picture. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see where our coldest cloud tops are located. This is where our strongest lifting is focused off of the mid-Atlantic coast. That will continue to lift northward and head towards the east end of Long Island and southeastern Connecticut as we move on through the evening. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, showers developing along the coast. Look for those showers becoming widespread as we move towards the evening. Temperatures basically in the lower to mid-70s for highs. For tonight into tomorrow morning, that moderate to heavy rainfall will be focused over Long Island. Some heavier showers also along the Jersey Shore. Notice off to the west, pretty much dry as a bone. I can't rule out an isolated shower, but really not going to be much of a major impact. So with drier conditions and a little bit clearer skies, you have your temperatures fall off into the mid to upper 50s over the interior. Some higher elevations could fall into the lower 50s for lows. Meanwhile, along the coast, basically your low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, that rainfall clears out. Can't rule out a few stray showers here and there along the coast. Look for high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s for the coast, and for the interior, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, or should I say on Friday, that's where things start to get a little bit more interesting. You see, our tropical air mass starts to slowly come back. We'll have low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s throughout the region. Upper 80s are possible in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, a greater increase in humidity. Watch out for fog in the morning. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s along the coast, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else, with that heat index starting to creep up towards the mid 90s. On Sunday, we'll have a weak trough hanging around the region, start to get rinse and repeat for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with fog in the morning, isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, otherwise muggy out, with low temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Right around the Philadelphia Metro I-95 corridor, don't be surprised if your heat index starts to push up towards 95, 100 degrees. And then on Wednesday, that's when a strong cold front moves through with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms could be severe, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to mid 70s for lows, high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to mid-90s in the Delaware River Valley, with the heat index pushing close to 100 degrees. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.